The Vivo V7 runs on Android 7.1.2 Nougat OS skinned with Vivo's custom FunTouch v3.2 overlay on top. That means a single-tiered interface with no app drawer and no option to have one. As you'd expect, notifications are summoned with a swipe from the top, but the quick toggles reside in a separate drawer, which as with iOS you drag up from the bottom. The interface is slick and there is a slew of extra features on top of the standard set for Android Nougat, making for an interesting Android skin. There is App Clone, Smart Split and even Face Unlock. The fingerprint sensor is always on, very fast and accurate. You can also set up Face Unlock in addition to fingerprint security, but you will need to wake up the screen in order for it to work. The face recognition can be fast or irregular. The fast option indeed recognizes your face faster, and we mean blazing fast, but it can be fooled with a picture. The other one relies on a more in-depth facial recognition algorithm and Vivo says it's more secure. It's not as secure as Apple's Face ID, but, apparently, this kind of authentication is now a thing and the Chinese makers are picking up the trend and their implementations are not bad at all. The V7 has its own Themes app and you can choose from a very rich theme store. The themeable elements are the wallpapers, lock and home screen, dialer, messenger, and the system font. The Vivo V7 comes with extensive gesture and motion functionality, found in settings under Smart Motion. Smart Wake works with the display off and lets you draw letters to launch specific apps, unlock with an upward swipe without lighting the screen beforehand, or launch the camera with a downward swipe. There are multiple settings for flashlight or camera launch with the volume keys, too. There are the necessary multimedia apps on the V7, part of the custom FunTouch launcher. You get a simple gallery, a skilled iMusic player with deep space proprietary sound effects and equalizers, and a very basic video app with pop-out play function.